on the device, flick the switch on the bottom. To pause the device, press the button on the front. The light will change to a light blue to indicate that it is paused. Press it again to unpause. There are 4 total modes to choose between. Hold the pause button for 1 second to change the mode. The modes are vibration mode, beeping mode, and flashing mode, or all 3. To factory reset the device, hold the pause button while turning on the device. It should beep 1 time. To set a custom distance, turn on the device while holding the button. It will beep 4 times, at which point the light will turn purple. Then, you may point at a wall with the custom distance you want to set and press the pause button 1 time.